after my last video cut off short, don't know why. I was just about to leave, and as predicted, we got rain. So I luckily just got back to the bike, which was parked undercover, because I nearly parked there. Where I actually parked there. We're gonna. I wasn't going to, but I'll show you around the motorbike trails now. Lots of different bikes, big, small. The trouble is I can't get in there. I'll do it from here. As you can see, there's just a few. As I said before, the prices are ridiculously high. And I think even if I'd have come here first before buying mine, I would not have purchased here. They just don't look or feel right. And people tell me they switch the old clock back, so bit of a risky business. Yeah, I'm undercover, but I'm still getting bloody wet. It's amazing. Just can't get into the building at all. All the bikes are blocked up every entrance, which is typical in Thailand. Oh, here we are, there's a bit of a gap. It's really coming down now, I bet you can hear it. It doesn't mess about. So I won't focus on any particular bike, I'll just show you how many are on offer. I mean, you've got big bikes, the 125s, the 110s, little Hondas. That one's not bad actually, I don't know what year it is, 27,900 baht, which is, I don't know, 700 or 800 quid. That's just over, that's about 1,200. Yeah, go fast, I would like to think of these levels. Although they build these buildings and they're not, I mean look at that, it's all water pouring in from everywhere. It's like it's rain down here. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased I bought my bike where I did now. It's from a Yamaha dealership, although it's a Honda, it's a year old or just over. And as I said before, it's guaranteed for 6 months on all mechanical parts. And up to now I've done well over 1,000 K on it, and it's been okay up to now. The only thing I find out is a Honda lead and the wheels are a little bit small, and when you're on a rough road it's worse than if you've got a wheel for this size. That's a little scooter, they're quite nice, Man United bike models. These are nice. The only thing is the new design on these, you've got this jutting out here, and every time I got on I used to knock my knee, so that's the reason I didn't buy one of those. I do like the Honda Clip. Well, that's not a Clip, that's a Xerox, which is a 155cc. But yeah, when they changed the design on the Honda Clip, they really they wrecked it. See, this is an older one, and it's not so prominent, it's more straight down at the side, the front of the bike. And the storage compartments in the front there for drinks and whatever else are great. On my bike, I put my phone in it one day, and just by chance, I looked on the floor, and it had fallen straight through. Couldn't believe it. Yeah, I used to come up here and see bikes for 15,000, not anymore. Plenty on offer. That's a 150, that's quite a nice size bike, I wouldn't mind that. I used to ride sort of 600s back home, but at my age now they're too heavy for me. If I could find something like that back in the UK, 150cc, I'd have it. The old Hondas, like we used to remember, the 50s and the 90s, but these are all sort of newer versions. That's quite a tidy little bike. But 31,000, I think only new though, that 48, I'd rather buy the new. They're obviously all been cleaned up, buddies. Can't make mine up whether that's 26 or 56. 26 I think. Yeah, 29,900, 30,000 that one. They're just the right size for bombing around the town on. I quite like this style. Trouble is the leg room is bad, like when you, like foreigners, I mean that's £1,000 that is second hand. There's another one of the older style Honda Click. Although they've got that little bit of a V in the front, it doesn't stick out. So these are all nice bikes. I like that Yamaha. Don't know what cc it is, what's that? 72,000. Nice looking bike. But yeah, some of the prices are so close to a new price, you know, you wouldn't even entertain. I wouldn't anyway. These back boxes are getting quite popular over here now. I see a lot, I mean I've got one on my scooter, and I see a lot more of them being used. I think it's because helmets became law and they sort of, the law are jumping on people a lot more than they used to. These little things would be good for a bit of fun. Yeah, it looks like I'm stuck here for quite a while. This rain's still coming down. It said light showers. Ah! I've got nowhere to go, so right, I don't want to wander around aimlessly. I'm just trying to find a place where I can get dry. It's like a river in the middle of here. Yeah. Where did I get in here? There was a gap somewhere. Cost me to wear flip-flops. They're like greasy sledges when you get them wet. Just hope the rain stops. You can guarantee when it rains here you get flood. Look, there's a pond up there. I love the way they've got these drains situated where the lowest point is there, like a foot higher. It's local, look at it, diamond. Ooh. Well, I'll just have to wait in here until the rain stops now. Anyway, that's the motorbike sale second hand in Chiangmai.